Okay, this is Lee, and we're logged into our website dashboard now. So we're going to create some pages and our menu. As you can see here, this is actually my own website. There's absolutely nothing on it whatsoever right now. So we're going to create something. So we're over here on the left-hand side. We hover over to Pages. You see a sub-menu pops up, and we're going to click Add New, and we're going to create a bunch of pages. So Home. That's going to be our home page, of course. I'm writing this in capital letters just so that it appears on the menu in capital letters. Up here in the address bar, it's just going to appear in small letters, but just, you know, whatever you put in your title, that's how it will appear on your menu. I like doing it in capitals, so there we go. Capitals. I'm just going to click Publish. I'm not going to launch the page builder. We're not going to put anything on it yet. We're just going to create the page so that it exists. So there you go, Home is now live, and you can view the page. We're not going to do that, we know it exists. So now we're just going to add another page. So here, obviously the sub-menu is already dropped down, so we're going to click Add New. I just want to create the pages, that's all. So I'm going to add another one, video tutorials. And again, I'm not going to put anything on it, we're just going to publish it. Just create it so that it exists. So there you go, it's now live. You can view your published page, we're not going to do that. And one more page, I'm going to put a contact page. So contact and publish. You have to push publish twice. Contact is now live. So now if we go back to our pages, just click pages over here on the left, and it will show you all the pages that you've got. So we've got a contact page, we've got a home page, and a video tutorials page. So they all exist. But if I go back to my website and I refresh it, still nothing. There's nothing in the menu because we haven't created a menu yet. So we're going to do that now. So you go down here to Appearance, and there menus. So first we've got to create a menu. So we're just going to call this one Main Menu. There you go, I've done it before. So we're going to call it Main. You can call it what you like. I always just call it Main Menu because that's my main menu. So we've got to create the menu. Okay, so the menu now exists. Now we need to decide what we're going to put on the menu. So there's all my pages there. So I'm just going to click, you can check them one by one, or you can just select all if you're going to put them all there, and add to menu. Simple as that. Now all of these pages are in the menu, but now look, they're all in the wrong order. So of course I want my home page to be first in the menu. So I just literally, you can see these little arrows here. You can just click on it and drag it to the top. Home is at the top. Contact, we always like to have that last, so just drag that down to the bottom. And so it will appear in that order now on your menu. I'm going to put my menu in the header and the footer. That's good enough for this layout. So you may have something different. We'll go through that in another video. So we're just going to save menu, and let's have a look now and refresh this page. And we see that our menu is there, Home, and we click on it, Home. It doesn't say, we can edit it, but you know, we're not going to do that now. Video tutorials is there. Contact is there, they all exist. I want one more thing in my menu. I'm going to put a link to our Easy Smart Facebook group so that you can contact me. So I'm just going to copy this. So I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to copy it. And I'm going to put this in my menu, because in your menu you don't have to have, it doesn't have to be links to pages that you've created. You can actually create a menu, a link. So we're just going to create a custom link. And here's the URL. The URL is just the address, and so that's the address there. I just pasted that in there. And the link text, I'm just going to call it Facebook, and I'm going to add it to the menu. And there you go, Facebook is popped up there. So save menu. And so now when I go back to my website, click refresh, there's the Facebook there, and if I click on it, hey, presto, here's our group. And that's it, really. That's how you create pages and menus. So, of course, every time you create a new page, if you check this box here when you've created your menu, of course, it will automatically, every time you create a new page, it will automatically add it to your menu. You just need to remember to come back to your menus to rearrange them if you want them differently. But, yep, that's it.